Dog on the loose.
Is a crazy cart, a child's toy.
Shoot, let's go second. Brakes are good on this thing. Engine braking and also the front and rear. Probably because the bike's very light. It doesn't take a whole lot to bring her to a That's bright. I really should have brought my tinted goggles. I do have my foot on the back brake, by the way. Yeah, I'm getting her a little bit. Oh, there's a car there. Watch out. Oh, don't pull out in front of me, baby. Don't do it. Oh, it smells like weed in that car. He's burning, boy. Yep. Dog on the loose. Thought that was a real person waiting there, but it's a scarecrow. That's funny. Oh, that's neutral. Done that a couple times today. That Cybertruck I was talking about, or I mentioned, I should say. It's blue. Very nice, very nice. I put my phone in my pocket before I hopped on this bike. That's all right. Now, I really don't want to lose these because I've already lost a pair of these on the ride. What's his or her name? Vina? Yeah. Beautiful. They usually don't like bikes, so I try and slow down and say hi. Seems like a nice place for a random picture, doesn't it? Put that bitch in neutral. Yes, sir. Leave her running so we can hear that fan squawk at us again. I'm really liking this key tag. It's fun for everyone involved. smells smelly right now. I'll tell you that right fucking now. Well, I kind of want to go over here with this lady. She quiet. A little stinky right now as well. Dude, she leans. I just gotta get the nuts to put her over on it. What a little rocket ship, huh?